Hello, hello, hello. Hi, guys. Today is April 14, 2020, and here's based on my market update. So, last week, a couple of weeks ago, actually. So, if you go to my site, you've been following my market update, and it's right there based on news updates. March 26th, stated here that why SP 500 could reach 2790 to 2930 before the next wave hits. So let's look at the S&P based on where it's at right at this point in time. 2790 did touch it. So right there, 2790. Now it is approaching 2930. This is basically what I stated here, 2930. 2930. Almost there. So in order to get there, we need good specific news. So last low here, 28th of February, was at 28.53. It's 28.43. The high of the day is 28.49.9. So based on this week's news, today being April 14, there's really nothing. We have high impact news, which is G7 meetings. Wednesday, on the other hand, tomorrow at 7:30 a.m., we have core retail sales, and we have Bank of Canada, monetary policy report, rate statement, and overnight rate. And then sometime in the afternoon, employment change and unemployment rate in Australia. Notice that is forecasted one is an increase around 0.3%. Employment change from 26.7 to negative 33,000 right there. So here in the US, on the other end, this is a retail sales, core retail sales. So that'd be very interesting. Well, notice how negative 0.5 to negative 8. So that will definitely have an impact within the market. So if it's going to be less than that, then a continuation of price will continue to the upside. So, but since we're approaching supply around here, we're going to see some form of stability, and then either a continuation of price to the downside will occur from here on forwards. So that is my forecast. However, we'll see when that happens. So right at this point in time, it's still very bullish. All the way it's approaching 2930. Like I said, that is approximately plus or minus, right? So all depends. Here, the low here is around 2853. Low, that one is 2904, 2899. So within this range in terms of level of confluence. So it ranges between 2853.3 to 2930. So that is my forecast. Let's look at the VIX, which is connected with the S&P. Basically from here, where did it go? Volatility index, oh, there it is. Currently it's down 7.8%. Yes, there is still a possibility to break this low right there, but if not, there's also a lot of gapping, so they will feel that gap. And this is going to revert back up, retesting 84 right there. Right, Dow Jones is the same. They go pretty much hand in hand with the S&P, and it is approaching 24.5. And then from there, either a continuation of drop back down to 18.5, or it will break to 18,000, depending on what the reports, up and coming reports, is going to be. Dollar index, on the other hand, is currently dropping as forecasted. So next price point is around 98.27. If it continues, it will create a new lower low, then back within this confluence, within this area, to retest this low around 95 before a change of trend to the upside. Hence, still very bullish with euro against the US dollar. If it goes through 111.17, then this is gonna head back around 114 to either create a new proper higher high or a proper lower high from there. So I'm excited. I'm actually bullish with the euro against the dollar. I'm bearish with the dollar index. And gold created new highs. And if we go through here, as per our forecast as well in the past, it actually did break the supply there in 9th of March. Currently, it broke through 1740 an ounce. So my forecast basically from here is simply it's going to correct itself back down to around 1680 before a continuation. Longer term, medium to longer term is still very bullish, whether we like it or not. It's basically an uptrend. It's on a monthly chart right there. So back to 2012, 2013, reaching about $1,800 an ounce. So I'm still bullish with gold, mainly because of the pandemic, right? Because of the virus. Everybody wants to put their money in safe haven. Resources like gold. Oil, on the other hand, like if we see here, Texas oil breaking new lows. So still, I am currently bullish at this point. Since at a level of demand, it's a low risk, high probability, create a new higher high there. Next step, higher low, so a better price point. Bam. So hence, if this happens, then I'm still bearish with the dollar against the Canadian dollar. However, better reference for me is this will come back up around 140, 140 and a half to 141, then gonna short it. So UK oil, same thing. Back at the level of demand through here. It's not as bad as Texas oil. However, I'm also bullish with crude oil. Last but not least, TYX 30-year yield is currently bullish, so up 1.5%, but running out of steam too. Still bearish as well with the yield, medium to long term. And copper, one more in terms of resource. Copper is in a correctional phase. I'm also bearish, medium to long term, and hence Aussie against the US dollar back to supply around 65 cents. I am also bearish with this to the downside as of a form of a correction, and then from there it will either retest 55 cents medium to long term. All right, so that's my report for today in terms of market update. If you guys are interested in regards to what I'm doing here, you want to know more. So I'm offering for you guys to learn for free. Just go to our website. If you go click esttrader.com and you click here, learn for free. And basically here you get to receive the trader course for beginners. And just put your name, email, submit it. You get some details on to access it. So it's an e-learning course. There's 12 different modules. And in the meantime, there's also some ultimate trading guides here for beginners that you can learn straight away. So you don't need to be a member, just go through there, watch it. And then when you're interested, you're ready for it, click on that and you're ready to rock, right? So if you want to have an extra income using trading as a vehicle, since now is the perfect time if you're in quarantine, then might as well learn. Alrighty, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Email address estraders@gmail.com or contact us at esttrader.com. Also call me 650-648-3783 if you have any questions. All right, guys, take care until next time. Please be safe. Take care. I will see you later in my next report. Bye now.